You're hiding in your bunker. When are we dropping nukes?
See? No problem. Wikipedia calls it alga speak. Calling it an emoji attack is basically discovering a new field of science.
Dude! No! I'm out. Damn it, help me get this off. General?
Yes, soldier.
The enemy has been sighted advancing on our position, armed with new intellectual aggression. Confirmed visual on the Emoji Attack paper.
How is this possible? Berkeley nuked them last week.
General, the threat is coming from behind our lines.
Berkeley must have a mole. Is it their ICSI affiliate?
Yes, General, shall we nuke them? Caltech is on standby.
We can't just nuke the Bay Area every week. Although at this rate of scientific collapse, they're forcing my hand.
Caltech has target lock. Your orders, General?
Forget that. Get me Berkeley on the line. Their researchers take old Wikipedia pages, slap new branding on them, and call it science. I say we revoke their computer science degrees and replace them with what they actually do, branding and marketing.
General, that's so cruel. They might prefer to get nuked.
Soldier, this is war. Sentiment has no place here. You have your orders.
This is Berkeley base. Come in, General. Your coffee's getting